Linking your bank account to Prudential is a straightforward process that allows for seamless transactions and management of your insurance policies. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your Prudential account. Visit the Prudential website and log into your account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to the payment options. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use ISROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the Payment Options section, look for an option that says Link Bank Account or Add Payment Method. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information and confirm that it is correct. Click on Save Changes or Link Account to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message once the linking is successful. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Prudential account, allowing for easier management of your payments. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Prudential's customer support for assistance.